Alright, TikTok, I'm gonna show you guys how to keep this taper very, very low. We're gonna start by knocking down all the bulk around the side of the head. We're gonna get all the bulk. We're gonna make sure all this part is smooth. We're not gonna go super high. You guys see a lot of tapers that go super high. We're gonna keep this very low, just like a thumb. If you guys are struggling, this video is gonna be perfect for you. There's not gonna be no cuts. It's not gonna be edited out. Right here you have two choices. You can make a round or you can make a triangle guideline. It's completely up to you how you want to go about it. Just that the triangle guideline will give you a more of a burst look. It'll give you like, if it's like a burst low taper, so it'll kind of make it look like a mid even though still a low. We're gonna start in with a finger width guideline, about like 3/4, not too much, about even like half of it I would say. And now you have two choices. You could either go lever close or lever midway. We're gonna go lever close right at the bottom. Lever close right at the bottom. This is an easy taper, easy taper. Now with your wall half guard, you're gonna go lever midway. Create about half a finger again. But we're not gonna cut over here. We're just gonna cut over here. Right here, look, using the corner, creating like another U triangle form. The form that we did here, we're continuing that form. Right here, look. Keeping everything low, not too high. Bam, look, super simple. Now you're gonna grab your broken guard and you're just gonna clean up any dark hair that you see around the fade right here. Taking your time. The broken guard is just gonna help us smooth everything out. So when we line it up right here, everything could be nice and even. And then the taper is gonna start to pop right here, look. Once you put in your lines, that's when you see that taper pop. Bam, that line right here, and start right here, right in the middle. You're gonna go down, you're gonna go around the ear. Make sure you take your time. You're gonna clean up around the back of the neck. Clean up around the ear. A lot of barbers forget hair right here, or they don't clean up really, really good around the ear. You have to make sure you clean really, really well. Now coming back to the taper, you're just gonna clean right in the bottom. And now you can just come in with your fold shaver, right in the bottom. That's how you do it, fam. That's how you keep it real low without going way too high. Bam, just like that. I always recommend you guys to brush this line out. That way you guys could always come back and just perfect it. Yeah, boy, got a clean hairline. Check them out, fam. $1 million all day.